Very good evening, my dear students. How you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English Video Study channel. I am Rahul Shukla. I welcome you all under the guidance of respected Wasim sir. Hello, how are you? Are you fine? First of all, share this video. First of all, share this video, my dear student. Am I audible? Please write down in live chat. Am I audible, my dear student? Okay, Shiv Charan Pal, Jai Hind Shiv Charan, Mr. Sonwani, very good evening. Yashwant, hello Yashwant, Antima Singh, very good evening. Amit, Pooja, Anshika, Deependra, Amit, Shivcharan. Okay. I welcome you all. I welcome you all, my dear students. Are you ready? Are you ready, my dear student? Should I start the session? First of all, share this video with your all friends. Anshika Misra. Okay, yes, sir. So, first of all, share this video with your all friends, my dear student. Should I start? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. This is your first question. Which of the following terms is used for the exchange of gases between blood and cells? Option A, pulmonary ventilation. Option B, internal respiration. Option C, external respiration. Option D, cellular respiration. Yes, answer please. Answer please, my dear student. What will be the correct answer of this question? Okay. Very good. Mr. Shonwani, I am fine. Yes, write down. Shivam Shukla, very good evening, Shivam. Write down the correct answer of this question. Anand, yes. Hello, Yashashvi Prajapati, Dazzling Anand. Let's start. Answer, please. I'm waiting your answer. What will be the correct answer of this question? Write down answer and share with your all friends. Let's start. So what will be the correct answer? Very Anand, yeah, the pulmonary ventilation. Deependra, D. Okay. So what will be the correct answer? What is the question? Which of the following terms is used for the exchange of gases between blood? Between exchange of gases. Read carefully. What is the question? Question is exchange of gases between blood and cell. Blood and cell. It is known as internal. It is known as internal respiration. My dear student, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be internal respiration. Internal respiration takes place between blood and cell. Exchange of gases between blood and cells. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead. You can see this is your human lung. This is your human lung. In science terminology, lungs is known as pulmono. Lungs is known as pulmono. So, study of lungs is known as pulmonology. Is known as pulmonology. Is it clear? Okay. Human lung is a main respiratory organ. It is your main respiratory organ. Is it clear? Okay. Lungs is situated in our ribs, in our ribs, inside the ribs, you can say inside the ribs. And how many numbers of ribs? You can say 12 pair. 12 pair means 24. Two two important internal organs, present in ribs. Number 1 is your lung, number 2 is your heart. This is your lungs. Okay, listen carefully. This is your lungs, my dear student. Okay, this one is you known as your larynx. Kya? Larynx is also known as sound box. It is also known as sound box. Where is this one? Is trachea. This one is your trachea. Is it clear? And this is your lungs. And there is a membrane. Which is found in upper layer of the lungs. This is known as pleura. So this question is also asked in your examination. Write down the name of membrane which is found in lungs. That is the name of that membrane is pleura membrane. Which one is your pleura membrane? Is it clear? Okay, this is your pleura membrane. This is your lower lobe. This is your bronchioles. Okay, this is your bronchioli. Is it clear? Okay, upper lobe. This is your upper lobe. This is your lower lobe. This is your artery. Bronchiola, tracheal keel. All these are the parts of the lungs. Is it clear? Okay. Yes, Sivanchal, I started. Very good evening, Divyanshi. Internal respiration. Yes, very good, Nirmal, Divyanshi, Antima 24, 12 pair. Roji Khan, very good evening, Roji. Okay, let's start. Let's see the another question. Yes, this is your next question. Lungs are located in the option A, abdominal cavity, option B, pericardial cavity, option C, peritoneal cavity, option D, pleural cavity. Yes, write down the correct answer of this question. Yes, my dear student, I am watching your comment. Pleura membrane, yes, pleura membrane which is found in our lungs. Yes, very good. Answer please. What will be the correct answer of this question? Yes, fast. Answer please. Write down. I am watching your comment. Write down the correct answer of this question. Fast. Shivam, B. Okay, pericardial cavity. Okay, go ahead. Pranjal, most welcome, Pranjal. B, option is B. Okay, so I'm telling you what will be the correct answer of this question. The correct answer of this question will be pleural cavity. Which one? Pleural cavity. Lungs are located in the pleural cavity. This will be the correct answer of this question. As you know very well, lungs is a main respiratory organ. As you know very well, respiration. And what is respiration? Breakdown of glucose. And breakdown of glucose C6H12O6 with the help of oxygen. What will be released? Carbon dioxide. है ना? What will be released? Carbon dioxide, CO2. And what is the main thing? Main thing is your ATP. And what is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate, which is also known as energy coin, which is also known as energy coin. Is it clear? Okay. Breakdown of glucose, C6H12O6, this is your glucose. Glucose is a example of monosaccharide. Glucose is an example of monosaccharide, and monosaccharide is a part of carbohydrate. Is it clear? Okay, write down the correct answer. I'm asking you a question. On the basis of saccharide, how many types of carbohydrate? Write down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down the correct option of this question. On the basis of saccharide, how many types of carbohydrate? Write down fast. I am watching your comment. Pooja Rajput B, Nirmal D. Okay, write down answer. I'm asking you. Fast. I'm asking you, my dear student, write down. Write down fast. Write down fast, my dear student. Very good, very good. Very good. The correct answer will be 3. The correct answer will be 3. Okay, which one? Monosaccharide. Next one, di or bisaccharide. And third one, polysaccharide. Very good. Monosaccharide, di or bisaccharide, and third one, polysaccharide. On the basis of saccharide, there are 3 types of carbohydrate. Okay, very good. Next one, ATP. 1 ATP is equal to approximately 7.3 kilocalories per mole. Okay, and respiration is a catabolic process. Catabolic process. Is it clear? And what is catabolic process? Catabolic process means breakdown. Is it clear? Catabolic process means breakdown. Is it clear? Breakdown of what? Breakdown of glucose. And breakdown of glucose, when you will breakdown of glucose will be happen with the help of oxygen. What will be result? Carbon dioxide, then H2O. Water, some amount of water will also release during this process, and energy will be released in the form of ATP. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Okay, go ahead with next question. This is your next question, my dear student. Question number 3. Consider the following parts of spectra. Option A, visible. Option B, infrared. Option C, ultraviolet. Option 4, microwave. So what you have to do here, which of the following is the correct sequence in which the wavelength increases? Wavelength increases. Yes, all these are options. Write down the correct answer of this question. Yes, write down, my dear student. I am watching your comment. Very good, Pooja, Nirmal, Deependra, Divyanshi. Very good, Divyanshi. Mono, di, bi, polysaccharides. Very good. Krishna Kumar, most welcome, Krishna Kumar. Good evening. Yes, write down the correct answer of this question. Write down. Divyanshi, Krishna, Deependra, Nirmal, Pooja, Mr. Sonwani. D. Okay. D. B. Okay. Deepen is opting D. Vijay, D. Okay. Good. Anand Yadav, D. Okay, Anand. Very good. Divyanshi, B. Very good, Divyanshi. Anand, Vijay. Okay. Let's see what will be the correct answer. See here. What is asked? Wavelength in increases. As you know very well, there is a electromagnetic 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 spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. Number one, how many in numbers? 7. Write down in live chat all 7 name. Number one is your radio waves. Radio waves. Number two is your microwaves. Microwaves. Number three is your infrared. Infrared. Number 4 is your visible. Visible. Number 5 is your UV. UV. 5. 6 is your X-rays, and 7 is your gamma rays. Gamma rays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 7. Okay. Next point. Wavelength is reciprocal to frequency, where lambda is representing your wavelength. Lambda is representing your wavelength, and small n is representing your frequency. Small n is representing your frequency, and both are reciprocal to each other. It means when wavelength will increase, then frequency will decrease, and vice versa. Okay, go ahead. So lambda maximum of radio waves. Radio waves have a lambda maximum, but frequency minimum. And but what about gamma rays? Gamma rays have maximum frequency, but minimum wavelength. Okay. But what is asked here, which of the following is the correct sequence in which the wavelength increases from gamma rays? Wavelength increases from gamma to radio waves. So first will be gamma. Is there any gamma? No. X-rays, no X-rays. UV. It means this one will be the first. UV will be the first. Okay. First will be UV. Next one UV, then visible. Visible, yes. This one visible. Okay. Next one infra. Third one will be your infra. Next one is your microwaves, and fourth is your microwaves. Is it clear? So 3 1 2 4 3 1 2 4 3 1 2 4. This one 3 1 2 4 3 1 2 4. Yes, 3 1 2 4. D will be the correct answer of this question. Is it clear? D will be the correct answer of this question. Is it clear, my dear student? Is it clear, my dear student? Very good evening, Kumar. Yes, very good, Anand, Nirmal, Akanksha. UV, then visible, UV, okay, then visible, then infra, then microwaves. Very good, Akanksha. Yes, very good. Okay. Very good. You all have given absolutely correct answer. First of all, share this video with your all friends. Akanksha, Nirmal, Anand, Krishna. Yes, Divyanshi Swastav have also given correct answer. Very good, Divyanshi. Okay, go ahead with next question. As you know very well, this is your electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, is this figure visible to you all? Okay. See, this is your electromagnetic spectrum. Number one is your radio waves, next one microwaves, next one infrared, next one visible, next one in ultraviolet, then X-rays, then your gamma rays. Then will be your gamma rays. As you know very well, this is your the distance between from this point to this is known as wavelength. wavelength. So wavelength is maximum of radio waves, microwaves, then slowly decreases to gamma rays from radio waves. So this is your radiation type wavelength. Is it clear? Okay. All these are the things. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead. I taught you this thing. Yes, question number 4. Question number 4. The diagram, this is your diagram. The diagram shows the arrangement of electrons in a particle. What is the symbol for the particle? Nitrogen, nitrogen ion, oxygen ion, fluorine ion, and neon atom. Yes, write down. Write down the correct answer of this question. Write down the correct answer of this question. Very good evening, Shushil Sharma. Shushil, yes. Figure is visible. Okay, write down. Write down fast. I am watching your comment. I am watching your comment, my dear student. What will be the correct answer of 4th question? Write down fast. This is your figure. What is the symbol for the particle? Yes, symbol for the particle. Fast. Write down fast. I am watching your comment and I am waiting your comment. Nirmal, write down the answer except of these lines. I understand your feeling, what you mean to say, but try to give the answer. Mr. Sonwani, aspirant, Babu, A, okay, very good. Sonwani, Shivam, B, Susil, A, Vijay, Shivcharan, A, Anand, A, very good. You all are opting. Yes, okay. Let's see what will be the correct answer. So first of all, I will tell you which one will be the correct answer. The correct answer will be nitrogen ion. Now I'm going to explain everything. If this will be the correct answer, why? Listen, as you know very well, if there is an element, suppose X is an element, you can represent it as a Z and A. Z is representing your atomic number. Z is representing your atomic number. And A is representing your mass number. Or you can say atomic weight. Is it clear? As you know very well, there is a relation A is equal to Z plus N, where A is representing your mass number or atomic weight, Z is representing your atomic number, and small n is representing your number of neutron. Is it clear? Okay. As you are seeing in this figure, okay, P is equal to 7, N is equal to 8. What is P? P is representing your proton. Atomic number is equal to proton is equal to electron. Electron will be equal when the element will be an atom. On that case, atomic number will be equal to number of proton will be equal to number of electron. Is it clear? But the condition is that when any element is an atom. But if you see the figure, P is equal to 7, N is equal to 8, then E is equal to how many electron in this figure? Let's count. 2 electron. 1, 2 electron. 1, 2 electron. 1, 2 electron. 1, 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8. This is your second orbital. Next one, first orbital, 1 electron, 2 electron. It means 2 electron in first orbital, next 8 electron in second orbital. It means 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 electron. Total number of electron is 10. Total number of electron is 10. It means total number of electron is 10. Total number of proton is 7. It means if number of proton is 7, then atomic number will be 7. But number of electron is different. It means this is not a atom, this is an ion. This is an ion. Okay. So let's see what is ion. What is ions? There are two types of ion. There is two types of ion. Number one, positive. Number two, negative. Positive you can read it as a cations, and negative is known as anions. Is it clear? And what is cation? Cations means loss of electron. Cation means positive symbol indicates loss of electron, whereas negative symbol indicates gain of electron. Negative symbol indicates gain of electron. It will be depend on symbol. Okay, suppose Na means sodium. As you know, atomic number of sodium is equal to 11 and mass number is 23. So how many number of electrons in this atom? As you know very well, atomic number will be equal to number of proton will be equal to number of electron when any element is an atom. So here atomic number is 11. So atomic number is 11, number of proton is 11, number of electron is 11. But when sodium atom will be converted into sodium ion, ion means positive or negative. Positive means loss of electron. It means initially it was 11, but after ion, how many plus? 1 plus. Then you will reduce minus 1. So 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. So number of electron is 10. So in your previous, in this question, nitrogen means 7. Nitrogen means 7. 3 minus. Nitrogen 7. Atomic number Z is equal to 7. Is it clear? But this is your atom. But what is given here? Ion. And 3 minus. It means you can say how many negative charge? 3 negative charge. And I just taught you what is mean of negative charge. Negative means gain of electron, efficiency of electron. Then atomic number is 7, then you will add how many electrons? 3 electrons. Why? Because it have 3 negative charge. When you add 7 plus 3, then it will become 10. So number of electron will be 10 in nitrogen ion. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 2, 10. So the correct answer will be nitrogen ion. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear student? Is it clear? Anion. Yes, Anshika, Nirmal, Divyanshi, Roji. Yes, very good, my dear student. Let's start. Let's see the next question. Okay, this is your next question. Which of the following statements is not correct? Option A, nitrogen and nitrogen 714, nitrogen 715 are isotones. This nitrogen 714, carbon C614 are isobars. Carbon C613, C14 are isotopes. Isotopes. isotopes, isotopes. Option D, C613 and N714 are isotones. Yes, write down the correct answer of this question. Yes, fast. Anand Yadav, both are same. Both are same. Approximately both are same. Number of proton plus number of proton plus number of neutron is equal to atomic mass, or you can say mass number, or you can say atomic weight. Is it clear, Anand? Yes. Write down the correct answer of fifth question. Fast. I am watching your comment. Shivam, C. Vijay, C. My dear student Shivam, Vijay, Ankit, what is the question? Understand properly. Which of the following statement is not correct? I am not asking you here about which one is correct, which one is not correct. Here you have to find wrong, not correct. Is it clear? Anand, Vijay, Anshika, C. Okay. Okay. Let's see. First of all, what will be the correct answer? Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A, nitrogen N714 and nitrogen 715 are isotones. So you must know about isotones. What is the mean of isotones? Write down in live chat. What is the mean of isotones? Means number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is same. Number of neutron is same. When number of neutron will be same, that is called isotones. And how you will find number of neutrons? A is equal to Z plus N. So N is equal to A minus Z. Okay. Write down what is N. N 714. And what about next? N 715. It means A 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. Okay. What about this? N is equal to 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. Then what will be? 8. N is equal to 8. N is equal to 7. N is equal to 8. Means number of neutrons 7 and number of neutron 8. Means number of neutron is same. Which of the following is not correct? This one is your not correct. This is your not correct. Why? Because number of neutron 7, number of neutron 8. But what is isotones? When number of neutron will be same, that is called isotones. Is it clear? Let's see isobars. And what is the mean of isobars? When mass number is equal to. When mass number is same, but atomic number is different, that is called isobars. Here atomic number is 7, 6. Atomic number is different, but mass number, or you can say mass number is same, or atomic weight is same. It means this is your isobar. This is your correct statement. Next one, isotopes. When atomic number is same but different in mass number, that is called isotopes. And what about isotones? When number of neutrons is same. Number of neutron 13 minus 6. How many? 7. Here N is equal to 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. Number of neutron is same. It means this is the correct example of isotones. This is the atomic number is same. This is the correct example of isotopes. Atomic weight or mass number is same. So this is also a correct example. But option A is wrong. Why? Because number of neutron is 7 and number of neutron is 8. So according to this question, what will be the correct answer of this question? The correct answer will be A. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear student? Understood? Okay. Go ahead with next question. This is your next question. Match the term in list 1 with its definition in list 2. List 1, sublimation, reverse sublimation, condensation, and D, vaporization. And list 2, the change of a gas to a solid, the change of a gas to a liquid, the change of a liquid to a gas, the change of a solid to a gas. Yes, all these are options. Write down the correct answer. Write down the correct answer. Nirmal, what are you commenting? What are you writing here? Very good, Divyanshi. Number of neutrons same. Write down the correct answer. Write down the correct answer of 16th question. I'm feeling thirsty. Write down fast. Fast, write down. C. Anand, Vijay, Deependra, Vijay. Okay. Very good. Let's see what will be the correct answer. Sublimation. What is sublimation? The change of gas to a solid. Sublimation, the change of a solid to a gas. Is it clear? Sublimation, the change of gas to a liquid, the change of a liquid to a gas. What is here? What is asked here? Sublimation. What is asked in this question, my dear student? Sublimation. Sublimation, what will be sublimation? The change, what will be the definition of sublimation? The change of a solid to a gas. For example, camphor. Have you heard about camphor? Camphor. Okay. Camphor initially state is solid, and this solid converted into gas, that is process is known as sublimation. Is it clear? Next one, reverse sublimation. Next one is your, my dear student, next one is your reverse sublimation. This is your reverse sublimation. And what will be the reverse sublimation? Reverse sublimation will be the change of gas to a solid. The change of gas to a solid. Why? Because sublimation, what is sublimation? When solid converted into gas. This is called sublimation. Reverse means opposite. Solid to gas, sublimation. Gas to solid, reverse sublimation. Next one, condensation. So which one will be the correct answer? A4. Is there any option? Yes. A2, yes. A4. Next one, B1, C2. Condensation. What is condensation? The change of gas to a liquid. That process is called condensation, and what about vaporization? Vaporization means the change of liquid to a gas, It means A4, B1, C2 and 3, 1. So option C will be the correct answer of this question. Okay, go ahead with next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. Which of the following statements are true for pure substances? Option 1, pure substances contain only one kind of particles. Option 2, pure substances may be compounds or mixtures. Or third, pure substances have the same composition throughout. And 4, pure substances can be exemplified by all elements other than nickel. Other than nickel. Yes, write down. Write down the correct option of this question. Yes, my dear student, write down. Write down. Ankit Maurya, C. Rahul Singh, C. Roji, C. Salt to gas. Dazzling Nirmal. Sir, explain all by giving examples. Yeah, I taught you, dear. Answer, please. Answer, please. Fast. Is everything okay? Okay. Yes, write down. Write down fast. Vijay, C. Okay. Deependra, C. Okay, good. Let's see. What will be the correct answer? What is the question? The question is pure substance contain only one kind of particles? Yes, absolutely correct. This is your correct statement. Statement second, pure substances may be compounds or mixtures. No. When you will mix different kinds of particles, then it will be known as mixtures of compounds. Okay, so this will be the wrong. Third one, pure substances have the same composition throughout. Yes, this will be also correct statement. And fourth, pure substances can be exemplified by all elements others than nickel. Yes, this will be absolutely wrong. So which one will be the correct statement? Option 1, statement 1, statement third. Is there in any option? First and third, first and third, first and third. Yes, option B will be the correct answer of this question. Okay, go ahead with next question. This is your next question. Assertion, all liquids are conductors of electricity. Reason, under the conditions of low pressure and high voltage, liquids can be made conducting. Option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, but R is false. Option D, A is false, but R is true. Yes, write down fast. Khushi, B. Okay. Write down fast. Which one will be the correct answer? B. B is the correct answer. Okay. Nirmal is also opting B option. Anand Yadav. Anand is also giving B. Okay, Anand. Go ahead. Go ahead. Write down fast. Write down fast. D. D. Very good, Deependra. Very good, Deependra. What will be the correct answer? All liquids are conductors of electricity. No, all liquids are not. So A will be false. Reason, under the conditions of low pressure and high voltage, yes, liquids can be made conducting. Liquids can be made conducting, but what should be the condition? The condition should be under the conditions of low pressure and high voltage. So both A and are true? No. No. Both A and are true? No. A is true? No. A is false? Yes, but R is true. So option D will be the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead with next question. Yes, this is your next question. Which one among the following is not a chemical change? Not a chemical change. Option A, curdling of milk. Option B, ripening of fruit. Option C, evaporation of water. Option D, burning of coal. Burning of coal. Yes, write down. Yes, very good, Anand. Write down fast. Write down the correct answer of ninth question. Fast. I am watching your comment. Rahul Singh, try to give the answer. Rahul Singh 8D. Okay. Write down answer. Ninth question. CC. Okay. Very good, dear Rahul. Very good, Mr. Sonwani. You all are opting absolutely correct answer. The correct answer will be, which one among the following is not a, listen, not a chemical change, not a chemical change. Curdling of milk, yes, this is your chemical change. Ripening of fruit, chemical change. Evaporation of water, it is a not a chemical change, it is a physical change. It is a physical change. Physical change. There is no any new product. There is no any new product. No any new product. But curdling of milk, milk converted into curd. Ripening of fruits, raw fruits converted into ripe fruits. But ripe fruits can't be converted into raw fruits. Milk can be converted into curd, but curd can't be converted into milk. Burning of coal, similarly, it is also a chemical process. Okay, very good, my dear student. Okay, go ahead with next question. Question number 10. Select the one which is not a mixture. Option A, air. Option B, gasoline. Option C, LPG. Option D, distilled water. Write down the correct answer of this question. Fast. Very good, Divyanshi. Anand, Anshika, Vijay, Deependra, Rahul D. Not a mixture. Yes, very good, Rahul Singh. D. Distilled water. Anand Yadav. Okay. Deependra B. Gasoline. Divyanshi D. Okay. Very good. So what will be the correct answer Actually this is asked not a mixture. So not a mixture, distilled water is not a mixture. The pH value, the pH value of distilled water is H. Write down, when the pH value is 7, what will be it, what will be its nature? Write down, write down in live chat, what will be its nature? Fast, acidic, basic or neutral? So answer will be neutral. Is it clear? When the value is less than 7, 0 to 7, the nature is your acidic. And what about more than 7 but less than 14 is your basic nature, or you can say alkaline nature, or alkaline nature. Is it clear? Okay. Air, as you know very well, we inhale air. And what is air? Air is a mixture of, air is a mixture of different types of different types of gases. Air is a mixture of different, air is a mixture of different types of gases. As you know very well, which one is maximum? Nitrogen is maximum, which is about 75%, or you can say 72%. Next one is your oxygen. Next one is your other gases. Oxygen is about 21%. Okay. Next one, gasoline, you very well. LPG, write down the full form of LPG. Write down, my dear student, write down the full form of LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas. Liquefied petroleum gas. This is the full form of LPG. Okay. Next one, which gas present in LPG? As you know very well, propane, methane, propane, butane, propane, butane. Next one, number one is methane, ethane, propane, butane, and next one pentane. So ethane, propane, butane, ethane, propane, and which one? Butane. All these are the members of alkanes. And what is alkanes? Alkanes are hydrocarbons. Alkanes are hydrocarbons. And what is hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are made up with hydrogen and carbons. And what is the molecular formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. And here N is representing your carbon. So what will be the first element of alkane? When you will put N is equal to 1, N is equal to 1 is your meth, N is equal to 2 is your eighth, N is equal to 3 is your prop, N is equal to 4 is your but, and N is equal to 5 is your pent. Is it clear? So when you will put N is equal to 1, CH4, you will read it as a meth plus N. N is a suffix, meth is a prefix. When you will add prefix plus suffix, then it will be methane. And methane is known as Marcy gas. Methane is known as Marcy gas because it is found in marshy places. That's why methane is known as Marcy gas. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead. See the figure. This is your cylinder. This is your cylinder of LPG gas. Okay. Next one. This is your gasoline. Okay. Go ahead with next question. This is your last question of the day. Yes. Answer please. What is the question? By which process does the smell of cooking smell of cooking spread to all the rooms in a house? Option A, decomposition. Option B, diffusion. Option C, displacement. Option D, distillation. Yes, answer please. What will be the correct answer of this question? Fast. Anand Yadav, I told you. Yes, very good Anshika. Acidic. Okay. Liquefied petroleum gas. Yes, yes. Anand Yadav, what are you asking? What are you asking? LPG is a mixture of. LPG is a mixture of butane, propane plus butane. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay. B. Very good, Roji. Rahul Singh, B. B. Very good, Rahul. Very good, Rahul. Anand, Vijay, Deependra, Ankit. Okay, okay. You all have given absolutely correct answer. Very good, very good. So the correct answer of this question will be diffusion. Diffusion, by the process of diffusion. This is the process by which smell of cooking is spread to all the rooms in a house, or you can say whenever you put a perfume, whenever you put a perfume, and when you pass from anywhere, any person can smell. Okay, why? What is the reason behind of that? The process is known as diffusion. That process is known as diffusion. By the process of diffusion, smell of anything, smell of perfume, smell of fruits is spread to all the area. Is it clear? That process is known as diffusion. Very good, my dear student. Thank you for today. You all came here and you opted the correct answer. Thank you for today. Take care. Tomorrow, same time from 8 to 9 p.m. I'll meet you here again. Thank you. Thank you for today. Good night. Take care.